Part 5 of our Indian Constitution, Article 63 to 72, regarding the Vice President articles. The Vice President of India. According to Article 63, the Vice President of India. So here should be Vice President of India. Article 64 speaks the Vice President to be ex officio Chairman of the Council of States. According to Article 65, the Vice President to act as the President to discharge his functions during casual vacancies in the offices, during the absence of President, maybe President may death, ill health. In this moment, our Vice President of India can exercise his authority. And Article 66 speaks that election of Vice President of India. It deals about the procedure of the election of the Vice President of India. According to Article 67, term of office of Vice President of India. Term of office of the Vice President of India. Article 67, the term of office of Vice President of India. According to Article 68, it speaks the time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office Vice President. Time of holding office to fill vacancy in the office Vice President. What is the time limit to fill Vice President position? According to Constitution, it speaks according to Article 68. Article 69 speaks that oath and affirmation by the Vice President of India. Our Vice President of India, he takes his oath of affirmation according to 69 article. Article 70 speaks discharge of President's functions in other constituencies. According to Article 71, it speaks that matters relating to or connected with the election of a President or Vice President. Article 71 speaks that matters relating to or connect with the election of a President or Vice President. Article 72, the powers of President to grant pardons and to suspend, remit or etc. Powers deals according to Article 72. These are relating to the Vice President of India articles, which was incorporated, added in our Indian Constitution.